Today I will talk about laundry services. It is part of my series of lectures on hospital management. This is my lecture outline. First, I will give introduction. Then I will talk about design aspects of laundry, including location of laundry, space requirement, layout, other design requirement, manpower, and equipment required. Then I will talk about operational aspects of laundry, and finally about metrics and key performance indicators. There are various types of laundry services. One is contract system, the other is in-plant system, then cooperative system, and then line-in rental system. In contract system, we have our inventory of linen, but laundry is outsourced. So it results in higher inventory, higher cost, and no control over wash formula. In case of in-plant system, we have both line-in and laundry system. So here there is safe handling of soiled and infected lining, and there is complete control over wash formula, overall quality of process and schedule. In cooperative system, the laundry services are shared among smaller hospitals. In linen rental system, we neither have linen inventory nor we have laundry services in the hospital. So there is lesser initial expenditure, but there is higher recurring cost. Then design aspects, location and space requirement. Laundry should be located in same building as hospital, but with separate entry and exit. It may be situated in basement with proper drainage system. Space required is 10 to 15 square feet per bed. Layout of laundry may be either straight or U flow or gravitational flow. Gravitational flow involves multiple floors of the building. And this is a layout I have taken from this article. So it is a straight layout. There is receiving, sorting, then sluicing, washing, hydro extraction, calendering, then hand press, flat press, and then finally distribution. Floor should be smooth, non-slippery, and water impervious. Wall should be smooth, washable, no edges, no corners. Ceiling should have a headroom of 14 feet to allow for installation and repair of equipments. Door should be wide enough to admit machinery and trolleys. There should be proper ventilation with air changes of 10 per hour. Power supply should be three-phase alternate current. There should be provision of steam at 170 degrees centigrade with 100 psi. Water requirement is 15 liter of hot water and 10 liter of cold water for every kilogram of linen. Then there should be availability of fire safety measures, sewing room, and centrally located manager's office. Manpower requirement is one washerman for 60 to 75 kg of linen and one man for 30 bed. Then equipment required include washing machines, hydro extractor, drying tumbler, calendering machines for pressing. Operational aspects of laundry. So laundry processes include reception, then sluicing of blood-stained clothes, counting and weighing, sorting either for repair or for condemnation, then washing. Washing include various sub-steps as breaking, sourcing, bleaching, rinsing, starching, soaring, gluing, and ironing. Then after washing, there is hydro extraction and drying, then pressing or calendering, and finally packaging and distribution. So wash formula include for 1 kilogram of linen, 12 grams of detergent, 20 grams of soda ash, 5 grams bleaching powder, 5 gram acetic acid, and half gram fabric whitener. And by process of centrifugation, hydro extractor machine extracts or expels water from damp washed clothes. And after this, drying tumblers agitate the hydro extracted mass of washed linen inside a cylinder so that steam passes through the cloth at high temperature, resulting in drying of linen. Then there is flat bed steam press, consists of concave convex process with tiny holes for passage of steam. Fabric get processed by mechanical pressure and steam. So lining processing system, it should be ideally be there should be centralized control with single manager for both lining and laundry management. This flowchart I have taken from this article. It illustrates various steps in lining and laundry management. Then finally, metrics and KPI. Metrics include number of garments that here it will be read as linen, number of linen processed every day, and utility cost per day. The cost include electricity cost, transportation charges, and cost of using water. Then patient feedback and complaints, staff satisfaction survey, microbial count of laundry lining, and indicators related to human resource management. Then staff satisfaction survey, the questions include quantity of lining, whether it is adequate, do you need additional linen, linen provided to you is clean, linen is ironed or not, the linen you receive is dry, linen is impressive, transport of linen is proper, is the lining of this hospital is better than other hospital, is lining and laundry is properly situated, is the lining and laundry staff cooperative. Then patient feedback, access to hospital dress after admission of patient, changing pattern of lining of patient, that is whether the lining, bed lining are changed every day, then getting lining as per need of the patient, then opinion regarding cleanliness of lining. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.